Despite Cardano falling below $1 recently, some crypto and finance experts are still optimistic about it. For instance, Raoul Pal just revealed unexpected important news for Cardano holders. In arguably one of the most surprising news for Cardano holders, Raoul Pal, one of the crypto community's most trusted voices, has spoken up. Now he's come up with some significant updates every holder must see. Cardano has not yet reached its all-time high, despite climbing around 50% in the last few weeks. However, it's good to note that the current crypto market outlook suggests a bull run is just around the corner for all coins, such as ADA. Meanwhile, ADA may have recently entered a downtrend, but it has also remained one of the most sought-after crypto assets. In addition, based on the coin's success historically, another bullish spike could be imminent. Nevertheless, some crypto specialists believe otherwise, and Raoul Pal is one of these analysts. Because it was unexpected, his warning for Cardano holders may blow your mind. So Raoul Pal was a former hedge fund manager, for those who don't know. His career accomplishments are his roles as an entrepreneur, investment strategist, and business strategist. Consequently, other investors and crypto enthusiasts regularly seek Pal's investment advice. Therefore, what he has to say about the Cardano token will mean a lot to the coin's holders. According to Raoul Pal, not one but two crashes will occur for Cardano in 2022 and the entire cryptocurrency market. As a side note, Raoul Pal has had a good track record with his crypto market forecasts. He is right about ADA and the overall crypto market following his maximum pain hypothesis. In a nutshell, maximum pain theory refers to a financial theory of options trading that asserts that most traders who engage in options trading lose money. That is why Pal believes that the crypto market and the stock market are both maximum approaching pain, which could lead to a sell-off. As a result, investors seeking maximum profits on their ADA investments may prolong the cycle of maximum pain, leading to a market meltdown. Additionally, Raoul Pal feels that crypto stocks are in the process of merging, especially as the Federal Reserve ends its policy of easy money and ultra-loose monetary policy after 2 years. Aside from this, all investments are risky, he believes, including crypto assets. Due to this, additional volatility occurs, and at times there is a link, and at other times there is not. At the moment of a macro change, everything begins to be interconnected. Thus, it periodically correlates with our position on the risk curve and periodically decouples from it. Although once the market turns down and everything is said and done, ADA may soar. Meanwhile, although Cardano is currently sitting below the $1 mark, it is predicted to come up very strongly on the market, increasing its momentum. And according to the latest reports, the intrinsic growth of the Cardano network caused transaction volume to spike to $86 billion, and then immediately retrace back down. Messari data seems to indicate that the network is regaining momentum. Also, as new initiatives and solutions developed within the Cardano ecosystem, over $200 million were invested in the ecosystem during March. As a result of the TVL, the network experienced an unprecedented volume increase of $86 billion. Thus, this dramatic increase in volume was a dramatic increase in the price of ADA, that jumped by more than 50% in less than 3 weeks. In the meantime, several projects have announced recently that they are working on decentralized applications and Cardano-based solutions. Several industry experts predict that the simultaneous rollout of stablecoins wrapped in synthetic assets and the newly added features will lead to the network's exponential expansion in the coming months. Then, according to the stablecoin channel on Tron's official social media channels, stablecoins have an average daily volume of more than $4 billion. Additionally, stable coins increase transaction volumes on blockchains like Ethereum and Omni as a result of new projects being added to the Cardano blockchain. Due to this, the network's utilization is expected to skyrocket, which will lead to an increase in the fees users pay for transactions and other interactions with the network. Raoul Pal predicted that Cardano would experience a sell-off, so this is why it is now expected that it may avoid it. Additionally, Raoul Pal has just made a very bullish prediction for ADA and this massive warning. Nonetheless, if you want to find out more, wait until the end of the video because we are yet to discuss it. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like these. Raoul Pal recently revealed that he is a Cardano holder in an interview with BitBoy Crypto. Due to the size and flourishing of the ADA community, Pal finds this aspect of the networking fascinating and believes there is room for expansion. Then, in light of the Alonzo upgrade, which brings smart contracts to the blockchain, Raoul Pal also discussed the future of ADA. Currently, people are looking forward to the innovative contract component of cryptocurrencies. Therefore, it is likely that Cardano will gain further adoption in the coming years. You can expect the network to perform well in the future, as more ecosystems will be able to utilize Cardano. Moreover, Cardano's recent partnerships will likely increase the real-world use cases for the ADA tokens due to their increasing utility. A partnership has been formed with Nervos, a blockchain platform launched in February. The company announced the establishment of a bridge used to connect to Ethereum, Cardano, and other blockchain networks. Furthermore, several blockchains can exchange Nervos assets using the Force Bridge, increasing accessibility. In addition, ADA was one of the network's most heavily staked assets before it recently fell. Further, there is no denying that Cardano has been gaining a great deal of attention since its launch and has established a reputation as one of the most promising cryptocurrencies. An example of this fact is the exponential growth of the Cardano blockchain over the past year, as demonstrated by the increase in wallets holding ADA. Specifically, Cardano blockchain insights figures show that between January 1st and March 31st, 2022, the largest proof-of-stake asset accumulated more than 450K wallets. As a result, Cardano added almost 5,000 wallets per day to its network during this time frame, which resulted in an increase in wallets of 19.76% during Q1 alone. It is also worth noting that since the introduction of ADA in October 2022, there have been over 500,000 wallets, and Cardano reached the 3 million wallet milestone in February of this year. Moreover, the network's rapid expansion in Q1 contributed to the increase in wallets. Moreover, Finbold's report on Cardano's 11 scaling strategies for 2022 confirms that the changes have increased ADA's value, increasing investor interest, including institutional investors. Since the amount of on-chain transactions over $100,000 has increased 50 times in 2022. Additionally, within the past week, investors of ADA with balances between $100,000 and $100,000 increased their holdings to an all-time high of 16.8% of the available supply. In addition, Finbold revealed that the number of Cardano smart contracts had reached 2,000 for the first time. Thanks to all these positive developments, Cardano's price is expected to rise further due to all these positive developments. While Raoul issued a massive warning about Cardano, these recent developments have also been appreciated by investors like him. This is one of the reasons he invested in ADA. As a result, it is now expected that Cardano will remain on a positive trajectory and prosper going forward. We all know that last September 20th, 2021, the Cardano network was substantially upgraded to include intelligent contract capabilities, making it possible to scale the network at a rapid rate for the first time. Also, as blockchain development has soared thanks to the update, a number of network milestones have been achieved recently. At the same time, Cardano is anticipating another wave of improvements with the Vasil hard fork on June 29, 2022. Then last April 18th, over 900 projects started building on ADA. Thus, nearly 400 projects have started up on the blockchain network in just over a month. Moreover, Input-Output tweeted, as I quote, "As of today, nearly 900 projects are building on Cardano, and this number goes up day by day." Also, Finbold reported that Tim Harrison, Marketing and Communications Director at Input-Output Global, revealed that 517 ADA-compliant projects are in the pipeline. The platform is being used to develop projects such as non-fungible token collections, DeFi lending, and new wallets. Among NFTs, the hip-hop artist Snoop Dogg's reestablishment in cryptocurrencies is noteworthy, and a new collaboration he is launching will be with Clay Nation and the Cardano blockchain, which will enable it to launch an NFT collection. Similarly, Finbold reported on April 18th that the network added almost 100,000 wallets in a month between March 17th and April 17th, just before the ERC-20 converter was launched. Then Hoskinson commented that they were just getting started. Then as of April, there were 3,360,761 wallets on ADA, just over 3 million after earlier this year. In light of this, it is apparent that Raoul's optimism for Cardano is indeed highly achievable, and it will skyrocket soon. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. Also, click the subscribe and bell buttons.